Welcome to the next countdown to CyberSec Fireside Chat. My name is Magdalena Petreniak. I'm the Communication Advisor to the Kościuszko Institute, organizer of the CyberSec Global Forum 2020. And today, my guest is Marc Vancoppenolle, Global Head of Government Relations, Nokia. Marc, welcome. It's a pleasure.
Thank you for having me. Hello.
Yeah. Marc, you are one of the speakers in a very important discussion panel, which will take place on day one of the CyberSec, 28th of September. And the title of the panel is The Role of Technology Providers, Civil Society and International Relations in Ensuring the Peaceful Internet. I think it's a critical discussion, and I would like to get deeper and ask you a few questions regarding that topic. So let's get to it. And the first question would be, telecommunication technologies as 5G are central for economic and societal development. Nokia is a leading company in this domain. So can you tell us what are your main strengths in this domain?
Yeah, sure. I think it's true that 5G will really be transformative for our economy and society. And this technology will especially underpin the fourth industrial revolution and, the digitalisation of all economic segments. And therefore, you often hear that while 5G is the fifth generation of mobile technology for consumers, it's in fact the first generation for industry. And so our main strengths are, at Nokia, and I would say a key differentiator is our end-to-end portfolio, ranging from fixed and mobile access technologies over IP and optics to software and services, and combined with our global reach serving customers from all over the world.
I guess. All right. So the discussion around 5G has been around for some time already. What are the most important policy actions needed to enable 5G and associated case uses?
So I would say that to unleash the full potential of 5G, governments should foster, as I call them, 5G-ready policy frameworks. And I would say that those consist of three main actions. The first one is more and faster allocation of spectrum in so-called low, mid, and high bands, because obviously without the necessary spectrum, there is no 5G. And then secondly, I would say policies that facilitate the deployment of 5G infrastructure, like small cells, or the fiber that connecting those small cells. And this is all about facilitating and lowering the cost of deployment, obviously. And then thirdly, it's ensuring that new business models and use cases enabled by 5G technologies are not hindered. So this is all about balanced net neutrality rules, allowing service differentiation, but also appropriate data policies and cybersecurity rules.
Thank you. I do believe that we will deepen that conversation during the panel on the 28th of September. And the final question, technology progress creates fascinating opportunities. We are all excited about that, but it also comes with responsibility vis-a-vis people, the environment, societies. What is Nokia doing to meet this responsibility?
Yeah, so obviously we take our global responsibility seriously, and we're also taking continuous steps to become a more sustainable company. And let me just give you a couple of examples. We continuously try to increase the energy efficiency of our products and processes, and we do that in a very systematic way. So with clear targets for products and for our operations year by year. And we are committed to playing our part in meeting the 1.5 degrees Celsius global warming goal set by the United Nations. And secondly, I would say that trust and integrity are at the basis of our business. We simply do not compromise in these areas, and we have all the necessary processes in place. And we were also pleased to have been recognized by Ethisphere as one of the world's most ethical companies.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Marc, We're going to meet you next week on the CyberSec Global Forum. Can you join me in inviting our audience to join your session and the CyberSec Forum?
Yes, absolutely. And I would encourage everyone that is interested in the topic indeed to join during this first day. We will have an interesting panel, and I'm really looking forward to the discussion there with everyone on the panel and with the audience. So looking forward to it.
Thank you so much for this conversation. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.